Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Microsoft Azure OpenAI deployments and keys, full guide step by step clearly. To restore Microsoft Azure OpenAI deployments and keys, you need to follow a structured approach. Start by logging into your Azure portal. Navigate to the Resource Groups section in the sidebar. Select the resource group associated with your OpenAI deployments. Once you're in the resource group, locate the OpenAI resource you want to restore. Click on the resource to open its management pane. Next, look for the Deployment History option in the menu. Review the list of deployments to find the one you want to restore. Take note of the timestamps and status of the deployments for reference. Click on the desired deployment to expand its details. Here you will find options to view logs and deployment outputs. If necessary, export the logs for backup or analysis. To proceed with restoration, locate the Redeploy option. Confirm that you want to redeploy the selected deployment. Monitor the deployment status to ensure it completes successfully. Once redeployment is complete, go to the Keys and Endpoint section. Here, you will find your API keys associated with the restored deployment. If the keys need to be regenerated, click on the Regenerate Key button. Choose the key to regenerate and confirm your action. Copy the API key for future use or integration. Now, return to the OpenAI Resources Overview page. Verify that your deployment status shows as succeeded. Test the deployment using the copied API key in your applications. Confirm that everything functions as expected. If you encounter issues, revisit the logs and deployment details for troubleshooting. Keep an eye on your resource quotas and limits to avoid disruptions. Regularly back up your keys and important configurations to prevent data loss. By following these steps, you can effectively restore your Microsoft Azure OpenAI deployments and keys. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.